Intelligent personal assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa, Siri or Cortana make people's lives easier in many ways. They can answer questions, manage appointments, control homes, play music, and much more. With the Monalisa application from the Accenture Liquid Studio for SAP Leonardo, you can now use the power of intelligent assistants to make it easier to work with your SAP system. Through voice or text, Monalisa answers questions and performs transactions in your SAP applications. This intelligent business assistant learns from all interactions to improve recommendations and to suggest the appropriate next steps for completing SAP transactions. Monalisa runs on SAP Cloud Platform to apply SAP Leonardo machine learning and connect to SAP S/4HANA and other SAP applications. You can interact with your SAP system through many applications like Microsoft Skype or Facebook Messenger, and through devices like smartphones, Amazon's Alexa, or Google's home speaker without a computer in sight. Let's see Monalisa in action. You can ask Monalisa to check the available stock at a certain place and do a stock transfer. Or you can ask to validate the details of a purchase order and get a recommendation to approve or reject. Monalisa doesn't stop there. It can work for finance, procurement, HR, plant maintenance, customer relationship management, supply chain, or any other business function. What's more, Monalisa can analyze users' conversations and interactions to improve the user experience and provide relevant insights to your SAP system administrator. The result? Easier and better interactions with your SAP applications, fewer errors, and increased productivity without a steep learning curve. To find out more and see how the Accenture Liquid Studio for SAP Leonardo can help you innovate with speed and agility, visit our website